Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to lodge our tax return in Australia by using our own MyGov account. First of all, we need to have MyGov account and we need to link to ATO. If you haven't made one, you can go to my another video first where I explain how to make MyGov account and link to Australian Taxation Office. I put link of that video in description section of this video, or you can click on the right part of your screen. Okay, now we log on into MyGov account first. It may ask your secret question or code sent on your phone. When we log in, now we can see ATO section, Australian Taxation Office. We can see this section only after we link our MyGov and ATO. Once we do this, we don't need to link again and again. In this ATO section, you can see Manage Tax Return. You need to click here where you can see all your tax history. Then we go to Not Lost section where we prepare tax return for this fiscal year. Here I am doing restart so I can show you from very beginning. In this first step, just check your contact details are up to date and click next. In this second step, put your bank details in which you are getting your return amount and then click next. Now we are in step 3. If you are in Australia, even if you are temporary resident or student, you are Australian resident for tax purpose. So click yes. At the moment I am doing tax return for single, so I tick no. Now we pick our source of income. Normally we have our salary, wages and interest on our bank saving. If you have ABN, tick business income and loss section as well. This is how we tick the source of our income. Just tick on deduction box for now. We show our deduction in next step. Then click next. Here we are. This is very crucial section where you can show various work related expenses which are not taxable, so we can maximize our tax return amount. Here we can see our gross income from our jobs and interest earned from our savings. Click on add or edit button in deduction section to show some work related expenses. It depends on the nature of your job to show deductible amount. Here I will show few examples. For more details, information provided by ATO on deduction can be found in description section of this video. You can see, you can show some travel expenses, you can show compulsory uniform expenses, and you can show some laundry expenses as well. But be mindful, if you are showing more than $300 and then work related expenses, then ATO may ask for proof or receipt. Normally ATO doesn't ask receipt for smaller amount of expenses. If you have paid for training or education related with your job, then you can deduct that amount as well. Let's suppose I do 2 jobs and sometimes use Uber to travel between jobs. Then I can show some amount here is work related travel expenses. click save. You can do this for various topics like donation, gifts and many more. Just be mindful about requirements of ATO about deduction. But if your income is below $18,000 this year, then don't worry about all the deduction because it's simply tax free. Now click Save and Continue. Here we deduct our Medicare levy exemption. This is only allowed for temporary residents who don't use Medicare facility provided by the government. Click on Aid or Edit section and then go further down. Here you click Yes for Medicare levy exemption. Put 366 days on full 2% levy exemption, which is this first box on the screen. Click No on this surcharge section. Now, as I am doing this tax return for student or temporary resident, I don't need to put information about private insurance. Then click Next. Here tick on Prepare Myself and then tick Yes in this box as well. Now click for tax estimate. It will show our potential return. If you are happy with amount, then click on Lodge button. We will get receipt and number for our lodgement, and we will get notice normally within a week. Now we are done with our tax return. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to read the requirement for deduction outlined by ATO on its website.